This is the elevator at 4 Grandview Circle at Southpointe in Cecil Township, Pennsylvania. This is an Eastern JLJ Plus from the early 2000s. It's a shiny one. The annoying fan has both the mechanical bell and a electronic chime. Go to 2. Here you go up. It's very dark, this elevator. I'm not anticipating it to be this dark. I think it's an MEI. I think it has a Vertitron controller. Here, 2. Back to 1. It does not say Eastern. Certificate, expired certificate installed in 2002, has a bunch of re-inspections. We're not gonna do lighting on, it's so dark. But it's an interesting kit. Like a bunch of the lights are burned out. It's not that bright of an elevator to begin with. Chrome handrails, chrome at the front. Okay, now we can get a better cab view now that the door's open. That's what the cab looks like. Kind of interesting cab right there. If it closes, and that's gonna be it.